There are many times you'll need to change your employee's pay in isolved, and this is very easy to do. Let's take a look. In the left menu bar under Employee Management, we navigate to Employee Pay and then Salary. Another way to find the salary screen is by typing in Employee Pay in the search bar and hitting Salary. Once we're on this screen here, we'll drill into the employee we want to make changes for. Under the Employee screen, at the top, you can see the full history of pay changes for this employee. We can see the effective date of the change, the reason for the change, increase, and much more information up here. If we want to make a change to this employee's pay, we always suggest you hit the Add New button. This way it keeps a full history of employee pay changes. By editing and deleting the information up top, you won't have a full history that you may need to use in the future. We're going to hit the Add New button here. We'll go ahead and fill in all the appropriate boxes. We can do a percent increase here, or we can just type in a new annual salary. First, let's type in a percent increase. This person will receive a 10% increase, and you can see it automatically calculates here. Once we hit Save in the middle, at the top, we can see the saved information right here. Let's say we messed up. We can delete this information here. And then we'll go ahead at the bottom, we'll hit Add New, and this time they're going to get 95,000. It'll calculate the percent increase for you. We can hit Save, and you can see the new information at the top. And that's how you easily change your employee's pay with an isolved. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more helpful isolved tutorials.